Hello, my name is Laura.
Hello, my name is Sergio.
And we are Explorlands. Welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we rented a camper van and we drove down the coast of Portugal through the Costa Vicentina and Costa Vicentina. But now we are in Algarve.
Last night we arrived in Algarve and we've already stayed here one night in Lagos, and as you can see this morning we have now come to a lovely beach. The sun decided to escape, but
it will come back.
Yeah,
it's still very warm, as you can see. We're in t-shirt and it's May. Last night when we arrived there was a medieval fair going on, and it was very nice. So what are you drinking?
Some sangria.
Very lots of fruit and cinnamon.
Spicy as well.
Yeah, spicy.
Yeah, so what we didn't realise, well, we found out today actually in Algarve that there was a medieval fair going on in Lagos.
Yeah, so it's like people are dressed as medieval, and there are lots of stands of homemade stuff.
Yeah, very medieval.
Yeah, it's very nice. So we're gonna enjoy it here in Lagos.
Walk around a little bit, enjoy the nightlife.
Good morning.
It is day 4, 5.
Lost count. We're here for breakfast. Basically, last night was hard. It was nice to go to the medieval fair. So it was hard to find a place to stay. We thought we wanted to stay somewhere else, but then we should have just stayed there because we ended up going back there.
Camper van life. Your hair is not always as you want it to be.
Whatever, who cares? This is why I love Lagos. You have all these beaches, lots of rocks and places to explore.
Back of the van, all of a sudden got very busy. We were like the 4th, 5th car here.
Yeah, in this car park. The car park down there was full already. I'm here waiting for Sergio to have the time of his life, flying a drone and getting amazing images for you. Show us what you're doing. So we just visited Praia da Marinha, which is a beautiful place. We definitely recommend at least going to the viewpoint. That's what we did. We also met with my aunt, which I haven't seen in a while, and my little cousin, which is really nice. Here's my private drive again. And now we are going to our next stop. We're still not sure. We just want somewhere to watch the sunset, have some food and chill for a bit. The day turned out to be very nice and sunny. It's a pity we didn't go to the beach like for a swim yet, but we may still go depending on how we feel. I don't know.
We've arrived.
So we may stay here.
It's not a bad place. It's got view to the sea. We'll be able to watch kind of the sunset.
From the beach, maybe. Let's go to the beach. Morning.
Good morning. Having breakfast. Same as we've had almost every morning here. But it's quite nice.
The usual.
Fruit and yogurt.
This time we have strawberries.
And we have a beautiful view of the sea.
We're thinking of going to... Well, I want to have a surf lesson. And Teddy just wants to rent equipment. But I prefer to have a lesson. So we may go and have a lesson. We'll see. I'm still waking up, as you can see.
So we're the only camper van here in this parking.
And Sergi was a bit paranoid last night with all the things going on here. A lot of calls coming and going. And yeah.
A bit strange.
But I told him no one's going to do anything to us. It's fine. And nothing happened. Come with us. See what we get up to today.
We are here at the Praia.
This is São Rafael in Albufeira. We tried to go to Praia do Coelho, but the van wouldn't get there.
I think it's only
Walking, yeah.
Yeah, it's interesting finding parking or access with the van. But it's part of the fun.
But yeah, it's a really nice day. So nice and warm. It's like morning, 10:45, something like that. And then after we may go for lunch in Olhão with my family.
It'd be nice not to eat camper van food.
Some fresh fish or some food. We are here in Olhão, and we were supposed to have lunch with my aunt. However, it's very packed today because it's Mother's Day here in Portugal.
And it's a Sunday.
And it's a Sunday. Mother's Day is always on the first Sunday of May. What happened? She left, she couldn't find a table, but we found a table for both of us. So we decided to stay and have some fish here, which is very famous, this area for seafood and fish, yeah. So we decided to stay. However, you know, there's a long wait and all that, so I've been going. I went there to see the view, and then I saw these little stands, really nice beach stuff, and then I fell in love with this bag, and I bought it. The lady was really nice. She wants to go to Madeira, so I'm going to send her all the suggestions I have from Madeira. If you think about going to Madeira, don't forget to watch our videos from Madeira. We have a lot of content there, and check on Instagram as well. Are you ready for this?
Hi.
Hello, camper van life. We ready to go to bed?
Yeah.
Today didn't go as planned, but it's okay because things don't always go as planned. We did have lunch in Olhão, but we didn't meet my aunt, and at the end we went to a different beach, which was quite late already, so it wasn't as warm, but it was still nice. And then we went to the place where we're staying now, which is called Manta Rota, which has a really nice beach. and the sunset was lovely here. And now we are gonna sleep here, and tomorrow we'll try to go to Vida, the last full day of our trip. Good morning. I'm still waking up.
And we're already on the road.
Yes, we are going to Vida again because yesterday we didn't go to the island, to the beach. It was too late, so now we're gonna try go to it in the morning before we go to Faro, our last stop of this trip. We are on the ferry to Vida Island to go to the beach for a few hours this morning, and the weather is lovely. The ferry costs 2.50 euros. 2.50. The ferry costs €2.50 return for adults. For kids is slightly less, I think on 11, and then if there's a kid under 4 they don't pay. And yeah, we're very excited. I've been wanting to come here for a long time, so we'll show you around.
So we're here on the island.
Looks like some people live here.
Yeah, I think
You can also camp here.
I think they probably work here.
Yeah.
100%.
Or maybe they just want to live here regardless. Look at that plant, that tree, flower tree. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Let's go to the beach.
Happy Bank Holiday Monday.
Thank you, King, for an extra bank holiday. One day less we need to pay. One day less we need to take off annual leave. This is where I'm happy. We need to move here, Sergio. Look at that.
Yeah,
So beautiful. So now we stopped for lunch. We just got the freshest seafood that just came from the sea, right? I filmed a tiny clip. I'm gonna put it now. See if you can see it. The bag basically on top of the table. But it must be delicious. I mean, I'm looking very forward to eat it because it's the typical thing from here. It's delicious. Ready?